This is Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So if you're experiencing any problems or inconveniences with, receiving incoming phone calls, I would recommend that you start by checking if your system is in the airplane mode or not, and if it is in it, make sure to switch it off. Next thing that you might want to check is if your smartphone is in the Do Not Disturb mode. So go into Settings, Sound and Vibration. Here find the DND mode and make sure that it is switched off entirely. And another advice that I have might be apparent to certain people, but I will I will mention this troubleshooting method anyway. So simply reboot your phone, simultaneously press and hold the volume down and power buttons, or just the power button, depending on what binds you have. And here tap at the restart option. And the final advice that I have is to check whether Wi-Fi calling is enabled or not, and if it is active, try switching it off. So go into the phone app, settings, go all the way to the bottom and switch off the Wi-Fi calling. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.